Welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. Today we are at the storage unit. I'm ready to be done with the storage unit. So we hired some movers with a lift gate because that was important. Let me turn the camera around. Gate so we can get this stuff out of here and get it into the store. Is it okay if I film for our channel? Oh, okay. So we have some guys here helping us. We're gonna get the big crate out of there. We have 2 of those dryers and then the big crate. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on here with the lift gate. It's pretty big. Oh, he has the pallet jack in there. So we're finally getting this so I can say bye-bye to my storage unit. And there's a lift gate there. All right. So those are the white top shakers there. We still have about 20 of those in stock for about $2,500 right now. So if you are interested, once we get to the store, we'll unbox those so you can see. But this is the only one that we have here. Oh, record so you can hear my voice for both.
Well, I was gonna have you go over there and do the thumbnail.
Yeah, last time Carl and Rome did it all by themselves.
More wrong. That was more wrong.
I'll have to look back on the video.
Was not me. I didn't. That was
How
all
did
wrong.
he do that? I guess he's used to it too.
Yeah, he's used to it.
He's used to that type of the exact machines. All right, last one going up. Oh, it didn't even feel nothing up in there.
Great customer service.
Yes.
We were able to schedule. So you guys need to do a full service. We were looking
Fast
for
too. We
how
just
many
called.
days? We've been looking for weeks.
Weeks. So we are at the store, moving some stuff around to make way for the shakers. Babe.
It's modular. It broke. I'm sorry.
Oh, I thought because you were just so strong. Okay. So baby's gonna scoot that over there. Maybe use the, oh, you got it.
All of these things underneath.
Yeah, the blinds. Hold on. Well, maybe they can take this.
No.
Putting these double doors to use. Love it.
Yeah, you can stick that one right in that printer. Yeah, that's perfect. And then let's move this.
Imagine if we didn't have those double doors.
I know.
Alrighty.
Same thing? Like,
Double doors. Best money we spent is
Carl,
them
don't
double
forget
doors.
about
I'm
the
sorry. The best money we spent on them double doors.
Double doors. I didn't think it would be able to go through.
Why? Look, it can probably go that way.
No, I can't go sideways.
No.
That would be cool if it could. Just turn it down.
is it already facing a certain way, or?
No, once you guys put it there, we're gonna break it down, and I think there's wheels underneath it. We'll be able to do it. It's just coming by it the way it is.
Perfect.
Alright, last one. Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Never mind. We need to get that.
Okay.
Yeah, I almost messed myself up.
White top shakers,
Yeah, so I'm gonna
2,500.
get the drill and I'm gonna bust it down.
Bust it
That's what I'm
down.
gonna do.
Okay.
And then we should be able to slide.
Yeah. One more of these.
So we'll be using that one with that one.
Okay, so we are all done. Dang it, I forgot to film the end, so let me take it. Dang it, let me do it quick. Here we go. So we are all done. We have the 2 shakers in here. I think I did end it. I can't remember. So anyway, stay tuned. We are going to be hooking up that DTF printer. We still need to get a 220 volt line ran so we can get that going. We still have these 24-inch shakers with the built-in filtration on the side. White tops. We do recommend still having fume extractors with those, which we have some of those in stock as well. So you can contact us, flashprintingdepot@gmail.com. Also have consumables, film, 24-inch film. We have 32-inch on the way. So stay tuned for all of this. You know, we always keep you updated with the journey. So like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.